Ritko ria rero nigo muraibu kiama kia Wiper umuske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka agendete komochia serikali kubwatikana amo nugutena kwa amagendero emergency ya Kenya okwana chinga kecho nigo boigo umuske Kalonzo abirga kuboria muraibu ensi ya Kenya umuske Dr. William Samuel Ruto gochia goikirania chira chiria abalirete abakenya chinga kicho bochori bwetu
negotiated in good faith. However, this regime has demonstrated time and again that they are not interested in justice or in the interests of Kenyans. Since the tabling of the report in Parliament almost a year ago, on December 7th, 2023, the NADCO agreement has not been implemented. The few concessions on the cost of living have not even been honored. The matters relating to electoral justice have not been implemented, including evaluation of the 2022 election outcomes. The constitutional and legal reforms to ensure credible elections are still pending. Aggression against Jubilee, because we also had that as a very important agenda item. That's not contained in my statement here. But that was a very important agenda, integrity and commitment to multi-party democracy. And by that we meant that this state-sponsored aggression on Jubilee Party had also to stop. We now know there's even, again, state-sponsored appeal to the higher courts. The Kenya Kwanza regime is clawing back and putting the country on a dangerous trajectory. They are determined to violate the NADCO agreement and the proposed constitutional and legal instruments agreed. Of particular concern are the constitutional timelines for boundary delimitation and the reconstitution of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission, IEBC. The regime is already breaching the Constitution by failing to meet constitutional deadlines